Let's try the other port. That is also okay. So it's fine. We just have to use some tape. Oh, this one stuck to it. Let's get these whiskers off. That's not nice. But other than that, this is a success. Some electrical tape. And we're done. In half an hour, I prevented this battery pack from going into the garbage. I mean, I delayed it. This will go into the garbage eventually, but I delayed it by at least a year or two. Maybe we'll solve recycling until then. Yeah. Is there such a thing as too much tape? I don't think so. You can put as much as you like. Okay, so I think I'm done here. Kind of ugly, but this will live on. There's an ugly power bank, but it has 10,000 milliamp hours and can charge a modern phone at least one time, maybe two, 1.5. So this doesn't want to. Now it charges. Okay. Is it okay? Yeah, the last one is blinking to get up to 100%. Okay. We're done here. Success. Mission accomplished. Etc. etc.